Today, I'll walk you through how to enable or disable camera access in the Microsoft Edge web browser, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your camera settings so you can protect your privacy or enhance your browsing experience. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Edge. Imagine this as unlocking the door to your digital world. Once you're in, head to the three-dot menu located in the upper right corner of your browser window. This menu is like your control panel, giving you access to all the settings you need. Click on the three-dot menu and you'll see a drop-down list. From here, select Settings. Think of this as entering the engine room of your browser where you can fine-tune all the important details. Now look at the left sidebar and open Privacy, Search, and Services. This section is your privacy hub, where you can manage how your browser interacts with the web. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, it's totally normal as updates can change the interface a bit. Scroll down until you find Site Permissions. This is where you can control what each website can access, like a bouncer at a club deciding who gets in. Click on Site Permissions and then select Camera from the list of available permissions. Here you'll review the current camera access settings. It's like checking the guest list to see who has permission to enter. Depending on your preference, you can enable or disable camera access. If you want to keep your camera off for privacy, disable it. If you need it for video calls or other purposes, make sure it's enabled. Once you've made your choice, confirm the updated setting. This ensures that your preferences are saved and applied. And there you have it, you've successfully managed your camera access in Microsoft Edge. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.